Hey everyone, and welcome back to Crafty Corner Pro Max. Today we're diving into the world of high-end home decor. Think sophistication, elegance, and those little details that just make a space sing. Whether you're moving into a new place or sprucing up your current digs, we've got you covered. We're talking about creating a space that feels collected and intentional, not stuffy or like it belongs in a magazine. From picking out the perfect furniture to those DIY tricks I love so much, I'm going to walk you through every step. We'll talk about quality materials, creating a balanced design, and most importantly, letting your own style shine through. Let's get started. Before we jump into the fun stuff, let's talk about what high-end decor really means. It's not just about spending a lot of money, it's about creating a space that feels intentional and timeless. First things first, quality over quantity, always. Think natural materials like wood, stone, and beautiful fabrics that will last for years to come. Look for well-crafted pieces that tell a story and add character to your home. Remember, it's all about those thoughtful touches that make your space feel special. So bring in those family heirlooms, travel souvenirs, and pieces that genuinely speak to you. Now, let's talk furniture. In a high-end space, furniture is not just about function, it's about making a statement. Look for those key investment pieces that will anchor a room, like a beautifully upholstered sofa or a vintage dining table. When choosing your furniture, think about pieces that are both stylish and functional. A great ottoman can double as extra seating or a coffee table, while a sleek console table can provide storage and display space. It's about creating a space that feels curated and unique to you. Pro tip: when shopping for furniture, look for timeless designs that will stand the test of time. Creating a high-end look doesn't have to break the bank. Some of my favorite design elements are those DIY projects that add character and charm without costing a fortune. One of my favorite tricks is using foam marble contact paper to transform ordinary tabletops or countertops. Another simple but effective DIY is adding gold leaf accents to picture frames, furniture legs, or even mirror borders. And don't forget about the power of statement wall art. You can create your own oversized artwork using affordable canvases and some creativity. Think abstract designs, textured finishes, or even blown-up photographs. Lighting is one of the most important aspects of creating a high-end atmosphere. Well-designed lighting can completely transform a space, making it feel warm, inviting, and incredibly chic. The key is to use a layered approach. Start with ambient lighting, like a statement chandelier or recessed lighting to illuminate the entire room. Then add task lighting, like table lamps or sconces, to provide focused light for reading or working. Pro tip: dimmer switches are your best friend. They allow you to adjust the brightness of your lighting, creating different moods and atmospheres throughout the day and evening. You know I'm all about creating cozy and inviting spaces, and luxurious textiles are the perfect way to add warmth and texture to your high-end design. Start with a plush rug. A beautiful rug can ground a room, define different areas, and add a touch of elegance. Look for natural fibers like wool, silk, or even jute for a more organic feel. Layering is key when it comes to high-end textiles. Add luxurious throw pillows and blankets in different textures and patterns to your sofas and chairs. Don't forget about your windows. Floor-to-ceiling curtains in luxurious fabrics like linen or velvet can add drama and sophistication to any room. All right, now for the finishing touches. Accessories are like the jewelry of a room. They complete the look and add that extra sparkle of personality, but remember, less is more when it comes to high-end decor. Large mirrors are a must-have in any luxurious space. They reflect light, make a room feel larger, and add a touch of glamour. Place a statement mirror above a fireplace, behind a sofa, or even in a hallway to create a focal point. Art pieces are another great way to add personality and sophistication to your home. Create beautiful coffee table displays with stacks of books, decorative objects, and fresh flowers. High-end decor is always evolving, so let's talk about some of the latest trends that are taking the design world by storm. Earthy minimalism is huge right now. It's all about simplifying your space, incorporating natural elements like wood and stone, and creating a sense of calm and tranquility. On the other end of the spectrum, we're seeing a lot of bold colors and textures. Think deep jewel tones, rich velvets, metallic accents, and statement furniture pieces. And of course, we can't forget about technology. Smart home features are becoming increasingly popular in high-end homes. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about some specific tips for different rooms in your home. In the living room, create a cozy and inviting atmosphere with a plush rug, comfortable seating, and layered lighting. For a luxurious bedroom retreat, invest in high thread count sheets, a cozy duvet, and plenty of pillows. Create a relaxing ambience with soft lighting and add a touch of glamour with a statement headboard or a beautiful chandelier. In the dining room, set the stage for elegant gatherings with a grand dining table, comfortable chairs, and a statement chandelier. And there you have it. I hope these tips have inspired you to add a touch of luxury to your own home. Remember, high-end decor is all about creating a space that feels both elevated and personal. Whether you're ready to splurge on a statement piece of furniture or get creative with some DIY projects, remember to have fun with it. It's your home, so make it a reflection of your unique style and personality. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more design inspiration. And be sure to let me know in the comments which tip was your favorite, or if you've tried any of these ideas in your own home. Until next time, happy decorating.